Hello everyone, I'm Feng from China Unicom Intelligent Network Innovation Center. Today I'm very glad to introduce the solution of intelligent network operation based on AI knowledge graph. China Unicom is rapidly transforming its traditional network operation towards automation, AI, and big data-based analysis. Traditional network operation relies heavily on human experience, which often varies from person to person with high manual analysis costs, limited coverage of experience, and low efficiency of analysis. How to use knowledge intelligence to replace human experience is a common challenge for operators. Since 2021, the China Unicom Network AI Center has started to develop and deploy Network Operation Knowledge Center based on AI knowledge graph technology and applied in the scenario of fault management, which has been proven in practice to reduce costs of 11.3 million euros per year and improve the efficiency of fault handling by 67%. The core of new generation AI is a combination of knowledge-driven and data-driven. As the basis of knowledge-driven, knowledge graph can realize the transformation from experience to knowledge and support the evolution of autonomous networks. The overall solution architecture is 1 plus 2 plus 3. It realizes one knowledge management framework supported two network scanners of mobile network cross-domain and cloud cross-layer, provided three major knowledge graph applications of alarm correlation, fault root cause recommendation, and decision tree self-discovery. In knowledge management framework, it supports flexible collection and conversation of multiple data sources. Through the combination of traditional AI algorithm and in-graph algorithm, it realizes the acquisition of intelligent fault-handling knowledge and forms a flexible knowledge center. All knowledge is stored in the graph database, and inference capabilities are open to all third-party applications through predefined open APIs. Knowledge graph is a core part of the solution. In this solution, we collected data from the core network, field network, wireless network, and power environment network, and established a fault management knowledge graph set, including resources relationship graph, alarm correlation graph, and fault root cause graph. Based on the generated knowledge graph, more and more cross-domain alarm correlation rules can be automatically detected, the root cause can be quickly deduced, and the proving suggestion can be given with high accuracy rate. In practice, it can improve the accuracy of fault root cause analysis by 27%. Knowledge graph has been proven in practice to transform artificial experience to knowledge intelligence, reduce cost, and improve network operation efficiency. The benefits include: firstly, acquire knowledge faster and more comprehensively. The acquisition time is reduced by 63% from the traditional at least 2 months to summarize the expert experience to average 3 weeks in contrast, and the knowledge coverage is increased by 38%. After that, substantial reduction in manual analysis costs of network fault handling. According to the actual statistics, 11.3 million euros cost could be saved in China Unicom per year. Last but not least, improve the efficiency of network fault handling. It can reduce problem resolution time by 67%, increase the RCA accuracy by 27%, and the more important thing is all inference processes based on knowledge graph are 100% interpretable, which is quite useful for frontline engineers to understand the recommended decisions. Knowledge graph solution is designed and implemented following the guidance of TM Forum's autonomous network frameworks, Open Digital Architecture, Business Process Framework (ETOM), and Open API Standard. The TMF efforts helped to define the overall solution roadmap and functional architecture, which included: firstly, define the solution roadmap target autonomous networks level 3 for phase 1 and level 4 for phase 2. After that, set up the closed-loop process of network fault handling, which includes awareness, analysis, decision, acquisition, evaluation. The process is completely compliant with TM Forum's autonomous network standard and China Unicom's network operation automation strategy. Thirdly, design maneuverable business intent handling process, and intent-driven OpenAI is to speed up time to market and simplify integrate with current IT system. In summary, TM Forum Assigns are quite useful for us. We are looking forward to more and more collaborations with TM Forum. That's all. Thank you.